Welcome to Be Clever. Please subscribe to my channel.
10 birds that cannot fly. Number 1. Kiwi. They sounds like. Number 2. Ostrich. They sounds like. Number 3. Penguin. They sounds like. Number 4. Cassowary. They sounds like. Number 5. Lyrebird. They sounds like. Number 6. Nini. They sounds like. Number 7. Take. They sounds like. Number 8. Emu. They sounds like. Number 9. Walkbird. They sounds like. Number 10. Kakapo. They sounds like.
Thanks for watching. Please stay tuned for more videos.